Hello my friends, and welcome to another unboxing video here on Road Reality.
All right, here we go.
I'm John and I'll be your tour guide. And today we're gonna unbox the GoPro Max that I just bought because I'm a moron who needs more work and more cameras. So that's what we did. But today we're upping our unboxing game with this. Yeah, it's a K-bar and a Kydex sheath. I've had this thing a long time, but figure what the hell? It's gonna be good for unboxing things, right? Yeah, always cut away from yourselves, remember that. And trained professionals should be handling this stuff, not people on YouTube like me. But anyway, I digress. I've got a box full of goodies here and I'm fixing to see what's inside. So let's go through them one by one, see what's in the box. And if I get time, or maybe tomorrow, because it's dark out, I'll go ahead and we'll do some testing with this 360-degree camera, because I don't really know much about them. And maybe I'll tell you while I unbox why I ordered it. So anyway, first things first, protective lens covers. Ooh, I hear the lenses stick out on the Max, so I figured for like 10 bucks or whatever they were, it's a pretty good bet, something I should buy. Next up, dual battery charger and a spare battery, because if you watched my Hero 9 video, and I'm sorry if this thing's rocking, but it's a folding table. Anyway, if you watched my Hero 9 unboxing video, you'll know that, yeah, I like a lot of batteries because I go on longer rides. Interestingly enough, GoPro would only ship me the battery in the camera, the battery with this, and one spare battery, and then they ran out of space in the box or something, breaking a law, too many batteries. But there's the box with the dual battery chargers. Let's open that up. See if I can do this on camera, huh? Oh yeah. Slice and dice, baby. So let's see what comes with this. Another USB cable, always handy. A GoPro Max battery. The charger and some paperwork, and that's about it. So this will go in my collection of boxes, because we all know I like collecting boxes for some reason. We'll set that aside. Next up, the bundle comes with a case. Yes. Yeah, we'll try to unbox this stuff nice, huh? Try to get this out of the bag. Ta-da! And this is going to be a lot like the case that came with the Hero 9, I think. Let's open it up. Yep, just a blank case. All right. Way to cheap out, GoPro. Next up, another spare battery. Ta-da! I'm not even going to open this one up. I'll get around to that later. Set that aside. We got a little envelope here. Let's shake it out. What's in the envelope? Ta-da! Ooh. So this is going to be a 64 gig SD card. We will need this. And finally, the whole reason you clicked on this video, the Hero Max. Yeah, ooh, shiny. Let's get this thing out of the packaging, huh? Surprisingly, I've managed to come this far without cutting myself. Ooh. It looks so small. That's what she said. But there it is, folks. Pull the thing off the bottom. Little pull tab. Got our box here. Aha. Pull here maybe? There we go. All right, we'll keep that. You know I'm gonna keep that box. And there she is. I'm excited. Are you getting excited? Because I'm excited. I've wanted a 360 camera for a while now, but I found a plug-in for DaVinci Resolve that's free that'll let me reframe the video because my phone is both too old and too slow to do it there. And yeah, that's just silly talk. So I figured, what the heck? I'm gonna order one and see what the fuss is all about. Now I could have ordered, ooh, it comes with a little baggie. I could have ordered an Insta360 or something, and that's all that's in the box. I could have ordered an Insta360, but I decided that since I'm already in the GoPro ecosystem, that it would behoove me to buy another GoPro. Plus I have mounts and everything for it, so I'm kind of, you know, golden there already. And since I'm already used to the settings and the screen, now mind you, oops, I already folded one of those flat. So mind you, and I know it's a little bit blurry here, but this camera has a screen, and I'm gonna take this off eventually, but it's got a bigger screen on it than the Insta cameras, and apparently it might be slightly more durable, and the picture quality, depending on the light and everything, is gonna be hopefully a little better. So, got that going for me. I don't know how to peel that little sticker off. Hey, there we go. Let's see if I can reveal the sticker. Haha. All right. So we'll fold the fingers flat and then, oh, look at that. We've got a battery case. Came with a battery. It came with the SD card. Let's go ahead and put that in now. Where did I put the SD card? I'll be back once I find the SD card. Oh yeah, ta-da, here it is. Now this is where you can cut yourself pretty easily using such a big knife. I have yet to see a GoPro unboxing with a knife that big, huh? Am I right? If you've ever seen one bigger than that, leave me a comment below, and if you haven't, leave this video a like, because I like doing crazy stuff like that. SD card. It's gonna slot in right here. There it is. And the battery, we'll check the alignment here. There it is. All right, we're gonna insert the battery. Required a little bit of force there. Line it up. Push it closed. Maybe it's gonna snap, I don't know. Like I said, I'm new to this. Aha! And now it's locked in place. Oh, that's cool. All right. Let's see if it's got any battery juice in it, huh? Ooh, we have power. We have liftoff. Something. Look at that. GoPro screen comes up. And there it is. So I'm going to select English because that's what I speak. Legal stuff, yada yada. GPS off. GoPro app. I already have that. Wants me to use the GoPro app. I can do that. I have it right here on my phone. And I don't know if you can hear that, but it's raining outside and dark, so I closed the blinds. And I didn't want to do a ton of green screen work on this video, so there we go. All right, install the GoPro app on your phone to finish setup. Okay, go to cameras, add a camera. It's searching for my camera. You can see that there. Hopefully it finds it. We found your GoPro, look at that. And it's a Max. Connect. Your Android device may struggle or be unable to support some 360 features. That's hilarious. There we go, and it's got a serial number, so we're gonna change that. Here it is, it's connected, we're doing good. Yeah, it's pretty neat. So in the next part of this video, we're gonna do some testing with it, and yeah, we're gonna go from there. So while we're at it, if you've got an idea or a shot you'd like to see me take with it, let me know in the comments below. I'm always looking for good advice and bad advice and silly things I can do. So anyway, hope you like this.